Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. This video continues our discussion of Clause 10.2.1, Nonconformity and Corrective Action. The previous video taught us that expressing root causes as a story or referring to the 6M list doesn't point to a specific deficiency. You cannot solve a problem with the same thinking that created it. Following this wisdom, let's explore an alternative. I suggest using a standard list of root causes, such as nature, uncontrolled change, insufficient competence, deficient design, etc. Before we dive into the details, please subscribe to stay in touch and be the first to see our new releases. So, why create and use a standard list of root causes? Simple. The standard list allows you to trend causes. When I ask for evidence of nonconformity analysis, I'm often shown charts trending nonconformities by department, supplier, part number, etc. However, I rarely see trends showing the percentage of root causes identified. Would not knowing whether our business's biggest headache was training, design errors, or poor validation be great? Would not tracking year-to-year or quarter-to-quarter progress in reducing particular root causes be valuable? Trust me, it would. Your management team would love to see such trends. Sadly, very few companies generate or use such data, while it is easy to do. This is why creating a standard list of root causes helps produce actionable information. Let's see how it works. Our corrective action process flow includes a 5 why analysis, with inputs requiring why questions, a drop-down field for our standard root causes, and a comment section. Let's look at a real example to see it in action. A customer complained about the late shipment of a critical component. The analysis, using the standardized root cause list, went like this. Why 1? Why was the shipment late? The root cause selected from the drop-down menu. Schedule, not followed. Comment. The final test did not provide the unit. Why 2? Why didn't the final test provide the unit? Root cause selected. Equipment malfunction. Comment. Test stand pressure pump circuit failure. Intake leak. Why 3? Why did the pressure pump circuit fail? Root cause. Maintenance inadequate. Comment. Weekly PM setup was missed. Why 4? Why was the weekly PM missed? Root cause. Resources insufficient. Comment. The PM technician had a family emergency. Why 5? Why would the absence of a technician affect the business? Root cause. Unforeseen event. Comment. See Corrective Action 25-014. Cross-training was established for PM technicians. That was the conclusion. You might ask, why wasn't cross-training established earlier? That's a fair question, but as we agreed in the previous video, we stopped at what we considered a practical point. We believe this is a rational stop because we identified an actionable cause and proposed a solution to prevent it from recurring. So folks, I consider our 5 why process flow and root cause list validated. Hurrah! Using the root cause standard list, you can generate your business headache report. Neither the root causes in stories nor the 6M list will provide you with such a trend. This is all for today, folks. Let's summarize what we covered in this video. Stop documenting root causes as stories. They are subject to interpretation. Develop a standard root cause list to allow sorting and meaningful analysis. Report trends on the percentage of root causes to uncover opportunities. Drop me a comment. If you'd like this sample root cause list, I'll gladly send it to you. As always, check out the free resources on our website. The link is below. If this helps you rethink your system, drop a comment. If you like this video, please subscribe, repost, and like. Your support helps us promote our lean project. Thank you, and until next time.